Here's a secret that rich people know but broke people ignore. Wealth isn't about spending money, it's about hiding how little you spent. Right now, in late 2025, the car market is crashing. That means there are specific luxury cars that used to cost $80,000 or $100,000 that have hit rock bottom prices. I'm talking under $15,000. But here is the trap. Most cheap luxury cars like old BMW 7 Series or Range Rovers are financial suicide. They will bankrupt you with one repair bill. However, there are 7 exceptions. 7 specific cars that look like 6 figures, drive like a dream, but are mechanically identical to a Toyota or a Hyundai underneath. I'm going to show you the 7 cheat code cars that make you look rich but won't break down. And stay tuned for number 1, because it is literally a Rolls-Royce in disguise that you can buy for the price of a Honda Civic. Let's start with the ultimate optical illusion, the Genesis G80, specifically the 2017 to 2020 models. To the average person, this logo looks like a Bentley. The grille looks like an Audi. The presence is massive, but underneath, it's basically a Hyundai. Genesis was created to fight Mercedes, and they hired designers from Bentley and Lamborghini to do it. That's why it looks so expensive. But here is the villain of this story: brand snobbery. Because it doesn't have a German badge, these cars depreciate like a falling rock. A car that cost $55,000 new is now sitting on lots for $12,000 to $14,000. But the best part is the engine. The 3.8-liter Lambda V6 is naturally aspirated. No complex turbos to blow up. No air suspension to collapse. It uses a standard 8-speed automatic transmission that is smooth as butter. You get the look of a CEO with the repair bills of a high school teacher. Just avoid the 5.0-liter V8 if you want to save on gas, but honestly, even the V8 is reliable. It's the smartest fake rich buy on the market. Number 6 is controversial, but undeniable: the Chrysler 300S. They call this the poor man's Rolls-Royce, and for good reason. It has that high belt line, the chopped roof, and the aggressive blocky stance that screams, "Don't mess with me." In 2025, these have become a cult classic because Chrysler stopped making them. But you can pick up a clean 2016 or 2017 model for pennies, often under $12,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a Chrysler, it's junk. Stop. You are wrong. The 3.6-liter Pentastar engine found in the S trim is one of the most produced engines in history. It's in Jeeps, Rams, and minivans. Parts are everywhere, and they are dirt cheap. The visual trick here is to buy the S trim. It comes with the blacked-out grille, the 20-inch wheels, and the Beats audio sound system. It looks like a $60,000 mob boss car. Just check the water pump around 100,000 miles, and this thing will run until the wheels fall off. If you want to look like an architect or a tech CEO, you buy the Volvo S90. Launched in 2017, this car changed the game. Look at those headlights. The Thor's hammer design makes it look brand new even in 2026. The interior is arguably better than a Mercedes E-Class. It uses unpolished wood, real crystal glass, and Napa leather. Because Volvos are terrified of depreciation, you can steal these. But here is the warning you must listen to. Do not buy the T8 twin-engine hybrid. It is too complex. You want the T5. The T5 is a simple turbocharged 4-cylinder. It's not a rocket ship, but it takes stress off the engine. It's reliable, safe, and looks like you spent $80,000. Just make sure the software updates are done and you have the safest rich car on the road. Modern Mercedes cars are a disaster. They are full of plastic, creaky screens, and engines that blow up. That is why the old money buyers are hunting for this car, the W210 E-Class, specifically the facelift models from 2014 to 2016. This was the last time Mercedes built cars like tanks. The doors feel heavy, the switchgear is metal. It commands respect in the valet line because it doesn't look old, it looks classic. The secret weapon here is the M276 V6. Unlike the reliable V8s, this V6 is naturally aspirated and nearly indestructible. Taxi drivers in Europe put 500,000 miles on these chassis. You can find a pristine E350 Sport with the MG wheels for around $13,000. It says, "I have money and I have taste." Just check the rear subframe for rust if you live in the north. Otherwise, this is the gold standard. What if I told you could buy a car with seats that massage your legs, chrome door handles, and coach doors like a Rolls-Royce? This is the Lincoln. Ford brought this legend back for a few years and then killed it, which destroyed the resale value. That is great news for us. Underneath the chrome and leather, this is a Ford Terrace, and that is a good thing. It means any mechanic can fix it. The base model uses the 3.7-liter Cyclone V6, the same engine used in police interceptors and F-150s. It is robust and cheap to maintain. You pull up in this, and people think you are a diplomat or a senator. It is the most comfortable car on this list, period. You'll probably walk right past this car and not realize it costs $65,000 new. This is the Kia K900. Kia tried to build a rival to the Mercedes S-Class. They failed to sell them, but they succeeded in building an incredible machine. It is huge, it is silent, and the best part, you can get this with a 5.0-liter V8 making 420 horsepower. It's the same engine found in the reliable Genesis G80. Because it has a Kia badge, nobody wants it. You can pick these up for $10,000, 10 grand, for a V8 luxury limousine. It's the ultimate sleeper for someone who wants power and luxury but has zero ego about badges. And finally, number 1, the car that makes you look like the boss but runs like a Camry, the LS460. Specifically, look for the 2013 to 2015 models. This is the flagship. This is the car CEOs drive. It is whisper quiet and built to a higher standard than any other car in the world. But I have to give you a mechanic's warning. This car has 2 weak points: the control arms and the air suspension. They will wear out. The trick? Swap the expensive air suspension for standard coil springs for $1,000 and you have a car that will literally run for 1 million miles. It has a V8, it has presence, and it commands respect. It is the ultimate fake rich car that is smarter than buying a new one. Looking rich is easy. Staying rich is hard. If you buy one of these 7, you get to do both. But if you want to know which cars will actually make you money in 2026, you need to watch this video right here. Click it now, and I'll see you there.